Stellarium is incredibly powerful and also free. You can use the web version or download a desktop version. There is also an app. Step 1 is set location precisely. In Stellarium, click the location window and set your exact observing site. You can even input specific coordinates. Accuracy here makes a big difference. Step 2 is turn on the Milky Way display. Stellarium shows the Milky Way band by default, but if it's faint, you can adjust the sky brightness settings. You can also turn off light pollution in the simulation to see the band more clearly. Step 3 is fast forward time. Use the time controls in Stellarium to move through the night hour by hour. Jump ahead by days or months and see how the Milky Way shifts seasonally. This is one of the best ways to understand why we only see the core certain times of the month and the year. You'll literally see it move from nighttime to daytime as you scroll through winter. Stellarium is a great tool for planning Milky Way visibility or checking if the Milky Way will be visible during a specific trip. It will also show you if the moon will be in the sky at the same time as the core. Our bonus tool today is your brain. Step 4 is learn the anchor constellations. Apps are helpful, but eventually you want to recognize the sky yourself. In the northern hemisphere, look for the constellation Scorpius. Its main feature is a curved tail shape, and it is home to the very bright and orange star Antares. From Antares, 3 other bright stars jut out to create a claw or a triangle shape. This is probably the easiest constellation and star to spot. Scorpius can be found to the right of the core and can be seen before the Milky Way core rises. When you see Antares and these 3 stars rise, you will know the Milky Way is coming. If it's dark enough, you will be able to spot the Milky Way band itself. You will see the dust and gas band stretching across the sky. You may not see the same color as the camera, but you will be able to see the structure if it's dark enough. If you can see Antares higher above the horizon, but you can't see the Milky Way band, then you are likely in an area with too much light pollution, and it's washing out the core. The core is much fainter than bright stars like Antares, so we have to be in dark skies to see it. In the southern hemisphere, the core appears higher in the sky, almost overhead from some locations. Because it is higher in the sky, the core will be more dramatic and visible to your eyes. If you can't see it, but you can see the brighter stars, then you are likely in a light-polluted area. Learning the night sky can help you keep that phone in your pocket, which can help you experience the Milky Way. I recommend not using your phone or bright lights, but if you must use your phone to find the stars, then lower the screen brightness or put it on night mode if available. Let your eyes adapt for at least 20 minutes. Under a truly dark sky, the Milky Way is not subtle. It's a visible, cloudy river stretching across the sky. I personally don't use red lights. They ruin photos. Instead, I use a dim white light and keep my screen brightness down. If you want a simple checklist to help you plan your Milky Way images, you can check out my Milky Way Quick Start Guide, also linked in the description below. Please subscribe and check out my other videos. Until next time, take care and clear skies.